cell wall। इसे कहते हैं पेशी भित्तिका। सेल वॉल is protective non-living cover of the protoplast। Protective non-living cover of the protoplast is known as cell wall। It is non-living because it performs work without ATP, without using biological usable form of energy. It performs function. Hence, cell wall is non-living. Actually, this protective cover developed in the plant cell, presence of cell wall, aeroplane mode, presence of cell wall is the characteristics of plant cell। In the plant cell, cell wall is formed by following three stages of growth and development of the cell. Cell wall formation occur by following three stages of the growth and development of the plant cell. As the plant cell newly formed by cell division occur in the meristematic cell. Cell division occur in the meristematic cell as daughter cells are produced. The daughter cells grow and develop by following three stages. During the growth and development of the newly formed cell, cell wall formation takes place, and thickness of the cell wall depends on the stage of growth and development of the cell. In the first stage, the cell wall is formed, which is known as middle lamella. Middle lamella. This middle lamella is the first cover of the younger cell, newly formed cell. This middle lamella is formed by pectin. Middle lamella is formed by pectin. This pectin is the metabolic product of the cell. As newly formed cell undergo in the metamorphosis, growth and development, first it produced pectin material and that deposit around the protoplast. This pectin acts as cementing material, because of which newly formed cells adhere to each other. They remain stick up to each other due to formation of middle lamella of pectin. This pectin material, in addition to the pectin material, other chemical components may also add in, like calcium, non-cellulosic material may also added in the middle lamella, and that middle lamella help in the attachment of newly formed cell to each other, because this middle lamella is the first cover in the newly formed cell, in the younger cell. Suppose this is the newly formed cell, protoplast. It has nucleus, and this newly formed cell may produce the middle lamella due to the deposition of the pectin and calcium chemical component. This pectin and chemical component is the self-metabolic product of the cell, which is synthesized in the newly formed cell, and this middle lamella is first cover formed by main component, that is known as pectin. Pectin is the main component of the middle lamella. This is the first stage of the development and growth of the newly formed cell. The cell may produce from the pre-existing cell by process known as cell division. After cell division, pre-existing cell may form two cells by following mitosis or meiosis. First developmental stage in which pectin middle lamella is formed. After formation of middle lamella, cementing material, this is the another cell which may remain adhered to each other by developing the middle lamella between the cell. Suppose this is the middle lamella formed between the cell, which may help in the adherence of the daughter cells to each other, and the channel-like structure is developed. This is known as plasmodesmata. the protoplasmic content of the two daughter cells may remain interconnection between the daughter cell by following the formation of the channel, microscopic channel, ultramicroscopic channel. This is known as plasmodesmata, plasmodesma, plasmodesma. This singular form, that is plasmodesma, and plural form is plasmodesmata. So this is the first cover of the protoplast in the plant cell known as middle lamella, and this is the first stage of the growth and development of the plant cell. First cover is formed, that is known as middle lamella. This middle lamella, after formation of middle lamella, second stage is, that is formation of primary cell wall. Formation of primary cell wall. Formation of primary cell wall. In the first stage, the middle lamella is already formed. After formation of middle lamella, primary cell wall formation takes place. Primary cell wall formation takes place. Primary cell wall. Primary cell wall. After formation of middle lamella, primary cell wall formation takes place in the second stage of growth and development of the cell, plant cell. This primary cell wall is formed beneath the middle lamella. Beneath the middle lamella. And this primary cell wall is formed. Primary cell wall is formed beneath or below the middle lamella. This is the primary cell wall of the living cell. Primary cell wall of the living cell. This is the primary cell wall. And this is the middle lamella. Now here what happened? During growth and development of the cell, middle lamella and primary cell wall may not distinguish well in the mature cell. Middle lamella acts as cementing material between the cell. This is the adjacent cell. Adjacent cell. This adjacent cell is also grew and developed by formation of primary cell wall. Each and every newly formed cell undergo formation of the primary cell wall and middle lamella formation followed by formation of primary cell wall. And this is not well distinguished. The middle lamella and primary cell wall is not well distinguished in the mature cell. They intermingle to each other. And this middle lamella acts as cementing material between the cell, and there is a plasmodesma. So this primary cell wall as formed beneath the middle lamella. Primary cell wall is formed inside the middle lamella, and this primary cell wall mainly formed by cellulose. Deposition of the cellulosic material occur on the protoplast, and cover is developed. Cellulosic cover is developed. Such type of cellulosic cover may also deposited by another component, that is hemicellulose. But in the primary cell wall, cellulose is the main component. In the middle lamella, pectin is the main component. And in this way, the growth and development of the plant cell occurs successively, and cell becomes mature to perform different functions. Now here what happened? The primary cell wall protect the protoplast, and cell possess particular shape according to the location of the plant cell in the plant body. The cell possess primary cell wall is a living cell. Cell possess primary cell wall is remain living cell. The protoplasmic content remain in the metabolic process or remain living. In the mature cell, primary cell wall is developed, it gets particular shape and it may remain living. Primary cell wall is formed mainly by cellulosic material, cellulose. In addition to the cellulose, hemicellulose, non-cellulosic components may also deposited in the primary cell wall. And slowly it get lignification or deposition of lignin may occur. So thickness of the cell wall increases gradually due to the deposition of the cellulosic and non-cellulosic material inside the middle lamella, and cell becomes mature. The location of the cell in the plant body that determines the thickness of the cell wall according to their function. The cell wall thickness may occur. Now here what happened? All cell possessing primary cell wall may remain living, and living protoplasm is found in the cell possessing primary cell wall. This is the living protoplast with cell organelles. And here what happened? Adjacent cell may remain adhere due to the presence of pectin material, middle lamella. They remain adhered to each other and they remain compact to each other. Intercellular spaces may be present between the living cell, like parenchyma, cholenchyma, chlorenchyma, arenchyma. In the arenchyma, intercellular spaces is greater. But when cell undergo in the third stage of developmental process, secondary cell wall formation takes place. Secondary cell wall. Secondary cell wall formation takes place. Secondary cell wall formation takes place in the third stage of development and growth of the plant cell. Secondary cell wall. This secondary cell wall is developed by deposition of the special type of metabolic product of the cell that is known as lignin. Lignin. The lignin is a chemical component, metabolic product, as deposited, cell wall becomes thick and it may not help in the transport of protoplasmic content from one cell to another cell, and plasmodesmata may block and does not transport the protoplasmic content from one cell to another cell. So cell becomes dead after formation of secondary cell wall. Gradually, as secondary cell wall formation takes place by development of three covers, three layers. First layer, second layer, and third layer. When the first layer of the secondary cell wall formation occur, cell undergo keying, C-E-A-S-I-N-G, keying. It means it becomes becoming dead. Gradually, metabolic activity of the protoplasmic content reduced after formation of first layer of the secondary cell wall, then second layer of the secondary cell wall is formed. The cell may not possess living protoplasm in the third layer. After formation of third layer of the secondary cell wall, cell becomes completely dead, and cell becomes dead. As dead, it may perform function like fiber cell, like tracheids, vessels are formed. Xylem elements are formed. Xylem elements like tracheids, vessels, sclerenchyma cells may form after development of the secondary cell wall in the plant. So here what happened? Due to deposition of the lignin, suppose this is the plant cell. This plant cell may deposited by lignin, cellulose, cell wall becomes thick. In the third step, this is the cellulosic material deposited. In the second stage of the development of plant cell, growth of plant cell, is the cellulosic material. Now after formation of secondary cell wall, here what happened? The lignification means deposition of lignin takes place. Deposition of lignin takes place. And so protoplasmic content becomes dead. This is the adjacent cell. Here complete deposition of the lignin takes place, and lignin deposition is not uniform. According to the deposition of the lignin irregularly, the pit formation takes place. Pit may develop in the pit. It means as a deposition of the lignin is not uniform, it may develop the pits, and pattern of pit are of different types. Pit may be simple pit, and some of the pits are bordered pits. This is the bordered pit, and this one is the simple pit. Bordered pit. Bordered pit and simple pit. Pit depressions developed in the secondary cell wall, and in this way the cell becomes dead, protoplasmic content becomes dead, the metabolic activity stops, and the cell possesses secondary cell wall as becomes dead. It only performs the function in the transport of the water like xylem elements, tracheids and vessels, which help in the conduction of water throughout the length of the plant body. So, in the plant cell, such type of cell wall layer formation takes place during growth and development of the cell. हमें एक ध्यान में रखना जरूरी है कि पहले मिडल लैमेला तैयार होता है, बाद में मिडल लैमेला तैयार होने के बाद प्राइमरी सेल वॉल तैयार होती है एंड सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल इज फॉर्म. मिडल लैमेला पेक्टिन से बनती है, प्राइमरी सेल वॉल सेलुलोजिक मटेरियल से बनती है, एंड सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल इज फॉर्म बाय डिपोजिशन ऑफ लिग्निन. बोले तो मेन कंपोनेंट सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल में लिग्निन है. सच टाइप ऑफ सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन टेक्स प्लेस in the plant. Now the cell wall function of the cell wall. The middle lamella help in the adherence of the newly formed cell to each other, and middle lamella acts as cementing material between the plant cell. Primary cell wall help in the protection and development of particular shape of the plant cell. Such type of cell wall formation takes place in the plant cell. Primary cell wall form. It help in the transport of water also. transportation of water may take place from one cell to another cell throughout the plant body. That movement of water through the plant body or in the plant body through only cell wall is known as apoplast pathway. And finally what happens? Some of the cell becomes fibrous, lignified, dead cell. Such type of cells are like tracheids, vessels, are help in the transport of water, conduction of water, like xylem elements. So, function of the cell wall is different in different stage of the development of the cell wall and growth of the cell. Main function is the protection of the protoplast, living component of the plant cell. Then additional function may occur according to the stage of development of the cell. Thank you.